Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 dog foods in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the quality, performance, and value of the leading dog food that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these products to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Natural Adult Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo knows that our furry friends deserve the best. That's why they always put real meat as the first ingredient in their dog food. High-quality protein from real chicken helps your pup build and maintain those healthy muscles. The Blue Life Protection Formula is tailored for adult dogs. It's got all the essential proteins and carbohydrates they need to stay energized throughout the day. And guess what? Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids promote a shiny coat and healthy skin. These little gems are like superhero sidekicks for your dog's immune system. A precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, carefully selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists, keeps your pup feeling their best. Blue Dry Dog Food is made with the finest natural ingredients. No sketchy stuff here. Plus, it's enhanced with vitamins and minerals to keep your doggo thriving. And the best part? No chicken byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Natural Adult Dry Dog Food, a tasty, wholesome choice for your furry companion. Number 4. The IAMS Proactive Health Minichunks Adult Dry Dog Food. If you're looking for a nutritious option for your four-legged companion, stick around. First up, let's talk about the essentials. IAMS Minichunks is 100% complete and balanced for adult dogs. No fillers here. It's packed with essential nutrients to support overall health. Got a pup with a sensitive tummy? IAMS has you covered. Their tailored blend of natural fiber and prebiotics promotes healthy digestion. Say goodbye to those post-meal belly grumbles. A healthy heart is a happy heart. IAMS Minichunks includes 7 essential nutrients to support cardiovascular health. Plus, it's formulated to keep your dog's entire body in tip-top shape. We all want our fur babies to stay healthy, right? Antioxidants in this recipe help maintain a strong immune system. It's like a superhero cape for your dog's well-being. Whether you've got a playful puppy, an energetic adult, or a wise senior dog, IAMS has options. Their portfolio covers wet and dry food, ensuring your pet gets personalized nutrition. In conclusion, IAMS Proactive Health Minichunks is a winner. It's tasty, nutritious, and supports your dog's overall health journey. Number 3. The Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food. This specialized dry formula is a game-changer for sensitive pups. Oatmeal, easily digestible and gentle on the stomach, ensures your furry friend feels their best. Real salmon takes center stage as the first ingredient. High protein. Check. Tails wagging? Double check. Say hello to happy tummies. Pro Plan includes guaranteed live probiotics, supporting both digestion and immune health. Remember the old Focus Sensitive Skin and Stomach Salmon and Rice formula? Well, it's now the Pro Plan superstar we're raving about. Sunflower oil, packed with omega-6 fatty acids, keeps your pup's skin healthy and their coat looking oh so lustrous. Shine on, fur babies. In conclusion, in summary, Purina Pro Plan sensitive skin and stomach dog food is a win-win for your four-legged family members. Happy bellies, shiny coats, and wagging tails, what more could you ask for? Number 2. The Blue Buffalo Wilderness Natural High Protein Dry Food for Adult Dogs. Specifically, we'll be wagging our tails over the salmon recipe in the 13 pounds bag. So, grab your furry friend and let's get started. This kibble isn't just a tasty treat, it's a protein-packed powerhouse. Say hello to healthy muscles and a shiny coat. Plus, those essential vitamins and minerals. They're all here. Life Source Bits, folks. These little antioxidant heroes are exclusive to Blue Buffalo. They're like tiny shields for your dog's immune system. Who knew kibble could be so heroic? No mystery meats here. Blue Buffalo skips the chicken byproducts, corn, wheat, and soy. It's like a spa day for your pup's tummy. Namaste, little furball. Blue Buffalo has given their digital packaging a makeover. While the physical bag might look a tad different, rest assured, all the essential info is spot on. Your dog's taste buds won't notice the change. In conclusion, so, there you have it, pals. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Salmon Recipe, a feast fit for your four-legged adventurer. Number 1. The Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin Dry Dog Food. If your furry friend has a delicate tummy, this formula is a game-changer. Hill's Science Diet uses high-quality, easily digestible ingredients that won't upset sensitive stomachs. No more late-night emergency vet visits. Gut health matters for our four-legged pals too. This dog food contains prebiotic fiber, which fuels beneficial gut bacteria. A happy gut means a happy pup. Omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E work their magic here. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a luscious, glossy coat. Your dog will strut their stuff at the dog park. Hill's Science Diet sources global ingredients but crafts this kibble right here in the USA. Quality control? Check. You can trust what's in that 30 pounds bag. Drumroll, please. Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin is the #1 veterinarian recommended dog food. Your pup deserves the best, and this kibble gets 2 paws up. In conclusion, so, whether your dog's a picky eater or has a sensitive tummy, Hill's Science Diet has them covered. Happy dog, happy life. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.